Outdated organophosphate pest control products pose serious health and environmental risks and should only be discussed for historical awareness, not use. Organophosphates were widely used decades ago as home insecticides because they disrupted insect nervous systems by inhibiting acetylcholinesterase, which led to rapid kills but also caused acute and chronic poisoning risks in humans and pets. Typical old formulations came as concentrates intended for dilution and surface application or as aerosols meant for inside use, and residues can persist in porous materials where they continue to pose hazards long after application. If you encounter suspected legacy treatments in an attic, crawl space, or on stored furniture, avoid direct contact. Do not vacuum or sweep in a way that aerosolizes particles, and ventilate the area well while keeping people and animals away. For identification, look for names such as those historically marketed under organophosphate chemistries and check any remaining product labels or material safety data sheets against current regulatory lists. When labels are missing, treat the material as potentially hazardous. For cleanup, wear impermeable gloves, eye protection, and a properly fitted respiratory filter rated for organic vapors when detailed cleaning is required, and use disposable wipes or controlled wet cleaning methods to minimize dust. For active infestations or unclear histories, stop DIY attempts with suspected organophosphates and instead use modern labeled options like pyrethroid perimeter treatments, borate wood treatments for structural infestations, or targeted bait stations that limit exposure, and consult a licensed professional for severe or persistent problems. Common issues include misidentification of old products, which can lead to unsafe handling. A short step is to photograph containers and suspect surfaces and get an expert assessment before any cleanup. People often attempt aggressive vacuuming or sanding, which spreads toxic dust. Instead, isolate the area, use damp cleaning and professional HEPA containment services if needed. Another concern is reliance on historic practices that recommend repeat home treatments, which increases exposure risk. Switch to current labeled products and integrated pest management practices, and call a licensed pro for ongoing or severe infestations. We run bighomeprojects.com to help homeowners connect with local contractors and find practical advice related to safe pest control choices. We also host a discussion community where we and other members share field experience and recommendations, and contractors can find work and homeowners can get referrals.